Contracts, invoices, orders, data messages. There is so much of it that you are in over your head. But your clients rely on you having everything under control. Do you? Definitely. Or, oops, we've had a bit of a glitch. Clients won't be happy about that. Well, perhaps this could have been resolved differently. Contracts, invoices, orders, data messages. This time, you will get help from DOCU X DMS. DOCU X DMS will store your documents in a well-organized database. It will lower your company management costs. Everything will be securely stored. Search and retrieval is easy, and not just from your office, but from anywhere in the world. Easy access and approval from anywhere. This time, you will know that all your documents are under control, and this is how things should work in the 21st century. Schedule an online demo and learn about all the advantages for yourself. DOCUX.eu